Verbs. Verbs are the heart of most sentences. But what are they? A verb tells you what the subject of a sentence or clause is doing or being. We sometimes call these action words. Examples are hug, dance, fly, sleep. Have a look at this sentence. Lena licked her ice cream. The verb in the sentence is licked. There are so many verbs, and it can be exciting to choose the best one to make the sentence fun and interesting to the reader. You could write, Dad ate his lunch. But it would be much better to write, Dad scoffed his lunch, or Dad devoured his lunch. Using a thesaurus is a great way to find new verbs which will help you make your writing remarkable. Verbs change in form or tense to show whether the actions are occurring in the present or are happening continuously, the past, or will occur in the future. I make a cake. I am making a cake. I made a cake. I will make a cake. Top tip. Some words are what we call non-action verbs, and they represent a state of being, need, or opinion. Examples are the be verbs like am, are, was, were, is, has, and had. Let's take a look at these sentences. I have 3 tickets to the cinema. Have is the verb. She is an adorable puppy. Is the verb. He was kind to me. The verb is was. So, whether you are laughing, crying, or playing, you now know all about verbs and their uses.